Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Transit. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors. This ensures you have the best possible view and are comfortable for your journey. Next, get to know your dashboard. Understand what the different lights and gauges mean. Finally, always double-check that all doors are securely closed and latched before you begin driving. These simple steps are crucial for a safe and confident start. Now let's get moving. Insert your key and turn it to the on position, then start the engine. If you have an automatic transmission, simply select Drive. For a manual, engage first gear. Remember to release the parking brake completely. Then, gently and smoothly press the accelerator pedal to begin moving forward. Take your time to get a feel for the vehicle's response and acceleration. Smooth inputs are key to a comfortable ride. Driving a larger vehicle like the Transit requires a bit more awareness. Always use your mirrors frequently and actively check your blind spots, especially when changing lanes. When making turns, remember the longer wheelbase. You'll need to make wider turns to avoid hitting curbs or other obstacles. For parking, take advantage of any parking sensors or a rear-view camera your Transit might have. These tools are incredibly helpful for safely maneuvering into tight spaces. Safety is paramount when driving any vehicle. Always maintain a safe following distance from the car in front of you and try to anticipate traffic changes well in advance. Regular maintenance is also vital for your Transit's longevity and your safety. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure, oil levels, and other essential fluids regularly. And speaking of staying prepared, remember to stay hydrated on your journeys. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.